Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Bitbucket pipelines for Python tests step by step clearly. First, navigate to your Bitbucket repository. Click on the Pipelines option in the left sidebar. If prompted, enable pipelines for your repository. Create a new file named bitbucketpipelines.yml in the root directory. Open the bitbucketpipelines.yml file in your code editor. Define the image you want to use for the pipeline. For Python projects, a common choice is the Python Docker image. Set the image by adding the following line: image python 3.x. Replace 3.x with the specific version you need. Next, define the build steps within the YAML file. Use the pipelines key to start defining your configuration. Under pipelines, specify the branch to trigger the pipeline. For example, to run tests on every push to the main branch, add default followed by step. Inside the step, you can set up the script to run your tests. Add the line script to start defining the commands. To install dependencies, include a command like pip install or requirements.txt. Next, add a command to run your tests. For example, if you're using pytest, add pytest. Your YAML file should now define a build step that installs dependencies and runs tests. Save the bitbucketpipelines.yml file. Commit and push the changes to your Bitbucket repository. Once pushed, navigate back to the Pipelines section in Bitbucket. You should see a new pipeline triggered by your recent commit. Click on the pipeline to monitor its progress. If successful, your tests will run and show their results in the pipeline logs. If there are any failures, review the logs for troubleshooting. Adjust your code or test suite as necessary based on the feedback. Repeat the process as needed to maintain an efficient testing workflow. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.